Welcome back. We have another video today with a Xbox Elite controller. The bumper button, the left bumper button on this one is not working, so we're gonna have to replace that one. That is this one here. I've already disassembled the controller, so this is the bumper button that we're gonna replace. We have some replacements here. And so we're going to get right to it. For that, we're going to have to take this part out, part of the motherboard or the main board on the controller. So we're going to grab some tools. Okay, so we got the tool that we need. We're going to go ahead and carefully remove this here. There are 2 screws on this board. Actually 3, I see, 4. This one here. And this one here. Excuse me. So now that we have removed that, we're going to try to lift the main board out. Oh, you know what? We have to remove this clip here. The clip that covers the charging port. So we should be able to lift it from here. There's 2 type of connectors there that are holding it in place next to the actual connectors. We're going to use our hands or nails. And we're going to turn it around and lift it out. So this is out. And now we should be able to remove the whole board. So this is what's holding it in place, this piece of metal there. So now it's out. I'm going to pause the video. I'm getting a phone call. Give me 1 second. Alright, so now that I've taken the main board out, or the board that we need to work on, we need to inspect this area here. That has to... that's what we're going to be working on, okay? So we need to remove that solder. I'm going to remove this ribbon, this cable here, this antenna cable. So we're going to be replacing this button here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this rubber cable thingies. This is a very nice board. The design is pretty cool. Anyways, I'm going to get the solder iron started. We're going to make some leaded solder with it, with this non-leaded solder, and that way we can take this off easier. Well, be careful with the components next to next to the pins here. Just seeing what it looks like on the other side. Okay. So let's try sucking it up with this solder sucker here without applying any more heat, okay? So this one's looking good. Now we need the big ones. Okay, let's see if we can pull it out now. Sure enough, it just pulled right out. As you can see here, the button is out. And ready for the new one, okay? So we have some new ones here. This is the new one. So we're going to be making sure that we put it in place. There's a little line on there that shows you exactly how it goes. We're just going to insert it, push it in there, make sure it's flush and flat, and it looks good. So let's solder. For that, I'd like to put a little bit of flux. maybe turn it over. Thank you for the comments, guys, that we received. Thank you for visiting our site. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'll try to help as much as possible, okay? You can visit our website at WYAYEO. That's YAEO.org. The temperature on the solder iron here was kind of low, so I bumped it up. You should see a difference here. Much better. So there it is. Soldered in place. There is a little, probably a little bridge here we want to get rid of, even though that's ground. Yep. So that's fine. I'm going to clean it up, test it. It should work perfectly fine. Let me go ahead and put this antenna connector here back. So that is in place. All right, now we gotta assemble it. Let me make sure it clicks good. Feels good. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys again soon.